Hello, it's Mr. Omari here, and I'm going to talk to you about calculating the area of a square, and this is very, very easy. Okay, now, I think we all know what a square is, but there are things that I need to point out. A square has a right angle in each corner, and a right angle is shown by this little box in the corner. Now, mine aren't very neat, but that means that you have a right angle. And the other thing that a square has is that every side is the same length. Now the way we show this is by giving them matching marks like that. So it might be one mark or two, but wherever they match, then that means it's the same measurement. So when we look at a square, we need to check that all of that is true, because what we're talking about today will not work with shapes that are not a true square. So moving on. Here is the formula. The area equals the length squared. So the length of any of these sides, because as we know, these sides are all equal. So if we know, for instance, that that is 2 centimetres, then the area equals 2 squared. So it is 4 centimetres, 4 square centimetres. And in actual fact, we can prove this because, let me just grab a different colour here so that I'm not making things more confusing, I hope. So if we were to in fact divide that up at the centimetre mark, so that's 1 centimetre by 1 centimetre by 1 centimetre in there, that is a 1 centimetre square. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. So that is obviously true that there are 4 square centimetres. And this is useful for when we're working out, carpet, floorboards, paint, that sort of thing. So let's say that it's, 7 centimetres. Now, provided all of those things are true, and we've got our right angles, then we know that A equals L squared. So A equals 7 sevens are 49. And let's say it's metres in this case. Oh no, it's not metres. I told you it was centimetres squared. And we could do the same thing. We could draw the squares in there and see that that is literally true. So very, very easy to work out the area of a square. That's it from me. I'll come back with something a little harder.